Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or use Google Play Store. So as you can see, the apps actually work, but if we wait, they'll be in the pending state forever, they will never install. So in order to fix this, we'll need to move to our settings. So simply scroll down like that, move to the settings. Now scroll all the way down and find the system. Go for date and time, and here enable automatic date and time. Now if we go back to our Google Chrome, we can reload this page. And as you can see, it works perfectly, and the same is with Google Play Store. We can try install this app now. If it doesn't work right now, we might need to restart our Google Play Store, but as you can see already, it downloads without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.